persimmons. The persimmon tree right here. These, but I eat them raw sometimes. Yes, they're edible. Use them in teas and stuff. They're really good. Baby locust tree. Look at that. Look at those thorns. It's a walnut tree. No, the mimosa trees are dead. This is pokeberry. Extremely poisonous. Never eat this. This is what it looks like. Leaves, purple stem, and it's very purple inside. Do not eat. Should I climb this tree? Looks pretty easy. I'm doing it. I climbed it, I just jumped down, but then I figured out my phone fell out of my pocket. So I'm gonna climb it again for y'all. Okay, this tree kind of hurts to climb. It's not as high up as it looks, trust me. Anyway, I'm up. Should I go? Baby mushrooms. I think this high enough. Y'all, I'm gonna get down. My camera. Oh, I'm gonna get down. Should I jump? I'm jumping. It's not as high as it looks, I'm telling y'all. I'm not really sure what this is, but